Welcome back to the AI Surpass, where we explore the fascinating world of image generations and editing tools powered by the artificial intelligence. Today, we are diving into the realm of advanced image creation tools, comparing the industry. Known from its innovative approach to image generations, it harnesses the power of AI to create diverse and imaginative visuals simply from text prompts. Users can craft descriptions and DALI 3 interrupt these to generate stunning visuals, making it a playground for creativity. Moving on, Leonardo AI. This platform stands out for its robust performance and customization with a user-friendly interface. It offers a seamlessly experience for image creation, boosting powerful image generation abilities that cater to various needs. Now let's explore Midjourney, offering AI-powered image generation tools. Midjourney allows user to create and enhance image using sophisticated algorithms. It is recognized for its capabilities in generating and refining visuals, making it a valuable asset in the creative process. Next is Microsoft Designer. This is web application that uses AI to create graphics. It can be used to make social media posts, invitations, digital podcasts, and more. The app uses vector-based images, icons, and other design elements that can be scaled with losing quality. Microsoft is free for use in preview mode. However, to access all the features, a Microsoft 365 subscription is required. Plan to integrate Designer with Microsoft Edge, allowing user to create content without leaving their browser. Finally, let's discuss Adobe Photoshop. Renowned for its powerful image editing capabilities, Photoshop is a staple in the creative industry with extensive functionalities for graphic designing. Now, in the age of a new tool added in Photoshop is Adobe Firefly. It's a generative AI system that lets users create AI generated art. It's a product of Adobe Creative Cloud and currently in public beta. Firefly allows user to create image from text prompts. It also offers functions like generative fill, text to image, text effect, text styles and textures, adding objects to an object, removing objects from an image. It is accessible in the latest version of Photoshop. Users can also customize their image with other Firefly tools. Find them in Creative Cloud apps like Adobe Photoshop. And that wrap up our exploration of these innovative image generation and editing tools. Each platform brings its own set of strength, catering to the diverse need of creators and professionals in the visual art industry. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights of the AI driven creativity. Until next time.